Hello, my name's Mark Gregory. I'm the CEO of a company called LYNQ, and we provide an easy-to-use, uncomplicated manufacturing execution system for SAP Business One. So MES means a lot of things to lots of people. We provide in that package, scheduling solutions, data collection solutions for both employees and machines. It can really help drive the improvement of your manufacturing customers, which means to you, it means that you get to maintain those manufacturing customers and win new customers together with our solution with SAP. We've got a footprint all over the world. We have around about 50,000 daily active users. We manage 25,000 resources in that time. We have 350 customers. We've got an established partner program with many partners in the US as well. So you've probably heard of me and you've probably heard of us beforehand, but we'd love to, if you haven't, we'd love to show you a bit more around the solution as well. So you can get in touch with us at our website and www.lynkmes.com or by email at sales@lynkmes.com. We'd love to show you our software, and we think we could really do a lot for your business.